Hi children, last class we discussed the comparison of the numerator and denominator with the same having same numerator and also same denominator. So greater number and smaller number we discussed in the last class. So today's class exercise number 5.3. So here we have to complete the series. So in your mind you have to call the concept of that this series is equivalent fractions. Okay, here the first fraction is 2 by 3 and then 4 by 6. Next here some boxes, it will be blank. So write the fractions, equivalent fractions. See, observe the numerator 2, 4 and 8 here. 2 ones are 2's are 4 and then 2 4's are 8. So write down 2 3's are how much here? 2 3's are 6. And then 3 ones are 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9 and then 3 4's are 12. And then if these fractions are equal, so 2 4's are 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6. The first fraction 2 by 3 and then here 3 2's are 6 and then 3 3's are 9. 2 by 3. So here first fraction is 2 by 3. Next 8 by 12. So 4 2's are 8, 4 2's are 8, 4 3's are 12. So then 2 by 3. So these 4 fractions are equivalent fractions. Next 5 by 7. Here we can write 10. How much? 10. 5 3's are 15. 5 4's are how much? 19. And then here the fractions I will write 7 1's are 7 2's are 40, 7 3's are 21 and then 7 3's are 7 4's are 28. Like that we have to write the series. Sorry, here 42. So the fractions we can write it as 3 here, 5 2's are, so 2 5's are, okay, 2 5's are 10, 2 7's are 14. The fraction is 5 by 7. These two fractions are equal and then here 3 5's are 15, 3 7's are 21. Like that here also we can write 5 by how much? 7. So here next second line, write the next 3 equivalent fractions. Okay, here 2 by 5, 4 by 10. Like that you have to write the first numerator. Okay, the first numerator is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and then the denominator is 5, 10, 15, then 20, then 25. So next 3 by 8, 6 by 16. So 3 ones are 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 3 4's are how much? 12, 3 5's are 15. And then 8 ones are 8, 8 2's are 16, 8 3's are how much here? 8 3's are 24 and then 8 4's are 32, 8 5's are 40. So here this is a equivalent fraction. When we divide the next fractions, here 3 by 16 is there. So 6, 2 3's are 6, 2 8's are 16. You get 3 by 8. So here these are equivalent fractions. Next 9, 9 3's are how much? 27, 9 4's are 36, 9 5's are 45. And then the denominator 11, 22, 33, 44 and then 55. So these are the incomplete equivalent fractions. Here these are the equivalent fractions. Okay. Next to me, some 2 fractions are given here. We have to check whether these fractions are equivalent or not. Okay. So first step is cross multiplication. Cross multiply the numerator and denominator to get the fractions. So it may be equal or not. Okay. First fraction is 3 by 5 and 18 by 30. Okay. Write down the fractions 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 18 by 30. So cross multiplication. Numerator to denominator and then denominator to numerator. So in bracket write down cross multiply. Cross multiply. So answer is 3 into 30 is equal to 18 into 5 or 5 into 18. 80, whatever you have to write. Okay. Here, so observe carefully, children. 3 30s are 33s are how much? 90. So 18 5s are how much, children? You know the 18 tables. 18 5s are also 90. So here both LHS means what? Left hand side, RHS right hand side. Both LHS and RHS is equal. So therefore, the given fraction, that is 3 by 5, is equivalent to 18 by 30. So let us discuss about the next sum. It may be equal or not. 12 by 17 and 8 by 20. So first step of this is cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. 12 into 20 equals 17 into 8. So answer, that is 240 we get this sum. So 12 2s are how much? 12 2s are 24. Remaining 1 0. 240 and then 17 8s are 136. So it is not equal. So this is a symbol for not equal. So therefore 12 by 17 is not equivalent to 8 by 20. Here first step is cross multiplication and multiply numerator to denominator and then denominator to numerator. You get some number. So multiply. So the numerator and denominator get some number. So observe carefully. So it is not equal. Then the given fraction is not equivalent. Okay. Fourth main is find an equivalent fraction of 4 by 7. So we have to do the sum means equivalent to 4 by 7. But here they are given only the 16 as a numerator. Find an equivalent fraction of 4 by 7 having 16 as an numerator. So they are not given the denominator. 16 here 16 is a numerator. So we can write the 16 as a numerator, but we don't know the denominator. But they are given to equal to 4 by 7. So 4 by 7. And in this table we observe that. So 7. 4 4s are how much? 16. 4 7s are how much? You know 4th table. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. So when divide these by 4 4s are 16. 4 7s are 28. So this 4 by 7 is equal to the given fraction. So the denominator is what? The denominator is 28. Okay. Second one, 24 is an numerator. 24 is a numerator. So first write down 24 and we don't know the denominator. So the this fraction is equivalent to 4 by 7. Okay. So 24 in which table? The 24 is in the fourth table. Okay. So in which table it will be appear? 8 4s are 24, you know. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are how much? 8 3s are 24. So it is not possible. Then next table we can take 6th one. Okay. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are how much? 6 4s are 24. Okay. 6 4s are 24. So 6 7s are how much? 6 7s are how much? 42. 6 7s are 42. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 24th ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4s ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4s ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. 6 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 7s ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 6 7s how much? 42. So when divide this one you get 6 4s are 24, 6 7s are how much? 42. Like that you have to write. Okay. Third one is 21 as a denominator. Denominator. So we don't have the numerator. So write down 21. So in the table, in which table 21 is present in 7s? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7s ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 21. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 3 7s how much? 3 7s 21. So we have to write the numerator. 3 4s how much? ಯಾಕೆ 4s ಬರೀತಿದೀವಿ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 7 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 7s 21 ಆದ್ರೆ 3 4s ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 4s how much? How much? 12. 3 1s 3, 3 2s 6, 3 3s 9, 3 4s 12. So divide ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4/7 ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ 84 as a denominator. So 84 as a denominator. So in which table is in 7s table? So we can take 7 4s 7 10s 17, 7 11s like that, 7 12s okay, 7 12s 84, and then 7 4s how much? 48. 12 4s 48, 12 7s 84. Okay, so like that you have to write the next heading. Simplification of fractions. Next concept from this lesson is simplify the following fractions or simplification. Simplification of fractions. So the first step, so we know that the equivalent fraction, the first step of equivalent fraction is cross multiplication. Here the first step is reduce the given fraction. Reduce to the lowest form. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ simplify ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ reduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೋ ತರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವಂತದ್ದು simplification. Okay, reduce to the lowest form. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೋ ತರ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So observe carefully. First we have to write the given fraction 36/42. First step of this, the simplification of fraction is divide both the numerator and denominator by 1. So you get the same answer. No need to divide by 1. The next number is 2. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. Okay. First step of this simplification of fraction is divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. You get some answer. So divide, you get 18 and then 21. So 2 18s are 36, 2 21s are 42. If you are confusion, so divide the division method. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, and take 6 down. 2 8s are how much? 2 8s are 16. You get the answer 18. And then for 42, same method. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. You get 2 down. So 2 1s are 2. You get the remainder 0. The quotient is 21. So 18/21. It is not the lowest form. Okay. Again, we have to divide using by 3. So observe carefully. So 18 and 21 is present in the third table. So how much? Means 8, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are how much? 3 6s are 18 and 3 7s are So the next we can divide by 4. It is not in the table, fourth table. So this is the lowest form. Here 6 is an even number and 7 is an odd number. So we cannot divide by a single digit. Okay. So this is the final answer. That is the 6 by 7 is the lowest form of 36 by 42. Okay, clear? The next sum. First method of simplification of fractions is first divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. We get some answer 18 by 21, and then we have to divide by 3 by means 3. Both the numerator and denominator, we get some answers, that is 6 by 7. This is the lowest form. So we no need to divide by other numbers because even an odd number is there. So let us discuss about the exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4. Firstly, reduce each of the following fraction into its lowest form. Reduce into its lowest form. So lowest form is what? We have to simplify the given fraction. So the same method, we have to divide the numbers. First we know the tables to divide. Okay. Here the first fraction is 8 by 16. So we can write it as 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are how much? 8 twos are 16. So divide both numerator and denominator by using 8. So you know 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. The answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the lowest form of 8 by 16. Okay, clear? Clear, children? So let us take one more sum. 5 by 10. You know, fifth table, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So directly we divide 5 by 10 means both numerator and denominator is divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are how much? 10. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the lowest form of 5 by 10. Okay, clear? 1 by 2 is the lowest form of 5 by 10. And then some more sums. 4 by 20. So it's in the table, fourth table. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So divide both numerator and denominator by 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are. Here 1 by 5 is the lowest form of 4 by 20. Clear? So some more sums are here. Next, simplification means we have to reduce the lowest to the lowest form, to its lowest form. Then 9 by 27. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 21. So directly we divide both the numerator and denominator by 9. The answer we get 9 ones are 9 threes are. 1 by 3 is the lowest form of 9 by 27. Next, 36 by 48. So it is in the table, you know that the 12th table. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. And then divide both numerator and denominator by 12. So tables are neat ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 3s are 12 4s are. So 3 by 4 is the lowest form of 36 by 48. Clear, children? The equivalent fractions means first step is cross multiplication. Cross multiply both the numerator and denominator. Here the simplification. Simplify means so reduce into the lowest form. ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. So this is the simplification. First step ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, so this is about the 5.3 exercise. So this is the end of this chapter. So I will give the class work to your WhatsApp number, and wherever the links is there in your textbook, maybe 5.3, first minute, second minute, you have to fill in your pencil. Next 5.2 is there, fill in the gaps using smaller and greater signs. So I will given all the